Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. This video will give you a brief demonstration of working of LOGIC Business Professional Plus software in an electronics retail business. First of all, we will create an account of Supplier. Enter the name and define account type as Supplier. Click on Other Details to enter the contact details and address. Also define sale nature and GST details. Bank details can also be added in Other Details. You can also create salesmen, agents or brokers. Select the columns as per your requirement. You just have to type the name and a short name. Fill other details if you wish to and click on Save. Setup Company option allows you to create companies of items. Scroll down to the end of the screen and enter the desired company name and a short name. You can also set up various go-downs. Let us now look at the grouping of items. Set up Item Groups option allows you to arrange the items into different groups. Different categories of electronic goods can be created and items can be allocated into them. Click on the category name and choose Allocate or Deallocate. You can also right-click on the category name. Search the item that you want to allocate and click on OK. You can create up to 30 group categories like these. Set up Items option allows you to create new items. Enter the name of item and select the company. Choose the groups to which the item belongs. Also add HSN code of the item. Enter the pack grade details. If the pack doesn't exist, you can simply enter a dot. Let us now look at the two ways of entering purchase. In the first case, the serial numbers of the items are recorded while entering purchase. In the purchase voucher configuration, lot number as should be selected as serial number entry, and create new lots should be selected as maintain each piece's track. Enter the supplier name, bill number and bill date. Then, enter the item name. A window will appear, where we will enter the lot number and quantity of the item. As we enter the quantity, 4 rows have been created where we have to enter the serial numbers of the items. Now, enter other details such as rates, MRP, and discounts. Click on View Totals to see the gross amount, discount in rupees, amount of tax and net amount. Press F2 to see the account entry of the bill. A prompt of Go Down selection appears at the end. Select the appropriate Go Down in which you want to save the stock of the entered items. In the second method, the serial numbers of the items are not recorded while entering purchase. They are assigned afterwards in the next step. In this method, lot number as should be selected as default, and create new lots should be selected as maintain each piece's track in this method as well. Enter the supplier name, bill number and bill date. Then, enter the item name, lot number and other details such as rates, MRP, and discounts. Click on Assign SIM or mobile numbers against purchase option to record the serial numbers of the items entered in the last purchase voucher. Select the purchase voucher from the search list and also select the items. Here, you can enter the serial numbers of the items manually. Another method of assigning the serial numbers is to retrieve them through an Excel sheet. You just need to select the purchase voucher and item, and browse the Excel sheet from your system. serial numbers have been automatically assigned to the items. Let us also see how can we enter purchase return. Enter the name of supplier. Items can be entered in two ways. The first one is to directly scan the serial number of the item in the item code column. All other details of the item will be picked automatically. The second method is to click on Retrieve. Select Lot with Pieces Info option. In this window, select the item that you want to return and click on Refresh. Press spacebar from your keyboard on the Selected Pieces column and select the appropriate serial number of the item to be returned. Purchase return has been created. The Stock Transfer Go Down Wise option enable you to transfer the stock from one go down to another. Select Go Down From and Go Down To. If you want to transfer all the stock, click on Transfer All Stock. You can also select only the required items in the Item Details window. Click on Retrieve and select Lot with Pieces Info. Select the item from the search list and click on Refresh. Press spacebar from your keyboard on the Selected Pieces column and select the appropriate serial numbers. Now we will make a sale bill. Select the agent from the drop-down list. Directly scan the serial number of the item. All other details of the item have been picked automatically. Enter the quantity and discount, if any. You can create the retail customers by entering the retail customer details such as contact number and name. Then, click on Payment option. The payment window consists of different payment methods, and it can be customized according to your needs. Partial payment is being done through Paytm, and the rest through cash. By clicking on Print, the bill will get saved and printed. You can get the printing personalized as per your requirements. Now let us suppose that you have to make a payment to your supplier through check. It will be entered in bank payments. Select the bank account from the list. You can also predefine the narrations in all account vouchers. Enter the required details. While entering payments or receipts, pending bills are displayed. Click on the bills against which the payment is to be adjusted. After entering all the records, let us see how you can create reports in LOGIC ERP. First of all, we will create ledger, which is one of the most important reports in a business. Filters have been given in every report on the right-hand side. Select the account of which you want to create the ledger. You can also type and search it. Entry-wise ledger has been created. The dues aging analysis is used to check the current dues and outstanding amount. You can also see which bills are overdue and by how many days. Let us have a look at some sale reports as well. The Sale Register Summary Report displays the sale bills in a condensed form. Similarly, the Sale and Sale Return Register Detail displays the sale bills in an elaborated manner with item name, lot number, quantity, rates and discounts. Apart from these, you can also check the sale according to different categories. The category-wise sale report displays the sale of different categories of electronic goods. There are various salesman reports as well. This report displays the sales of each salesman or agent in a condensed manner. You can also check the profitability in sale reports. The day-wise profitability report exhibits the daily profit or loss earned by you. Loss is shown in red with a negative sign. The account-wise daily sale report displays the sale bills according to their payment modes. Serial number-wise sale report shows the sale of items along with their serial numbers, customer name, and other bill details. The Purchase Register Summary Report displays the purchase bills in a condensed manner. Double-click on the bill number to zoom down to that voucher. You can make changes to the voucher and save it. Click on Purchase Register Detail to see the purchase vouchers in an elaborated way with item name, lot number, discount details, etc. Click on the Excel button to copy the report in Microsoft Excel. This button can be found in every report. Serial number-wise purchase report shows the purchase of items along with their serial numbers, supplier name, and other bill details. The Stock Query tab has many stock reports. The category-wise stock report displays the current stock of different categories of electronic goods. The Stock Query piece number-wise report enables you to check the stock of items according to their serial numbers. Select the item of which you want to see the stock and click on Create. You can also check the stock ledger of each serial number. Select the item and click on Create. The report is showing the stock ledger of each piece of the item separately. For example, from the first row we can see that 1 unit of this piece was purchased and 1 unit has been returned. You can also file GST returns from LOGIC ERP. Select the GSTR that you want to generate. Enter the date and click on Generate. Returns can either be submitted automatically or manually by preparing JSON. Simply select the GSTR that you want to create and click on Generate. Reconciliation of GSTR2 can be done in LOGIC ERP. Choose the format of the file and browse it from your system. GSTR2A data can also be fetched online. Similarly, GSTR3B can also be submitted automatically or manually by preparing JSON. Apart from these, other GSTR forms are also available. Thank you for watching this video. For more software-related updates, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon.